cellphone.
Galing ko yun ah. Kaisa ka.
Here, let me check this for you.
Ingay ng mama ko. Nagtatrabaho.
Okay, the order was placed December 14. Yeah, it's been a while. Okay, and this is for headlight. The order was placed December 14, and yeah, and this is for headlight retainer,
Ingay ng mama.
glow plug, and mirror. Okay, let me check.
May daga doon.
For the glow plug, it shows here we're waiting for a tracking update from FedEx. And the last update was on December 22, 7 a.m. at Athens, Georgia. And for the mirror, yes. And we're just waiting for a tracking update.
Aray.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the tracking update. It is currently on its way. And for the mirror, it shows here it will be delivered on the 24th. December 24 by 9 p.m. Okay, you already received it.
Galing.
Yeah, for the mirror, you will receive that on the 24th. That's tomorrow.
Like and subscribe sa video ko. At
And for the
thank you.
headlight
Like
retainer,
and subscribe.
it
Okay,
shows here
bye.
there's no detail yet from FedEx.